Welcome to the Green Mountain House in Manchester Village, Vermont. This 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom home has double-height ceilings, a massive stone fireplace, open dining room, living room, and kitchen, and huge covered deck. Enjoy dinner al fresco with a barbecue, fire pit, and spectacular views. There are 2 king bedrooms, a queen and double, plus 2 rooms for kids. The Green Mountain House is located on the 30-acre resort at the Wilburton Inn. Less than a mile from the Equinox, Hildene, shopping and dining, our Maple Line driveway transports you to a world away. Cross-country ski from your front door. Discover the beauty of art in our on-site museum and bask in the breathtaking Vermont views. Of course, dogs are always welcome. 4 hours from New York City and Boston, Manchester is the ultimate 4-season destination. Enjoy vibrant fall foliage, skiing at Stratton and Bromley Mountains, designer outlet shopping, and classic New England charm. We can provide catering from our farm and inn. For over 30 years, our family has loved welcoming guests. We look forward to hosting your Vermont vacation. Come to Vermont for the winter and make this yours. Our 30-acre estate awaits you in the great outdoors. 8 homes of all different sizes for your family. Joy begins at the Wilburton in Manchester, VT. From cottages to mansions to something in between. Sit by the fire and feel inspired. Live the dream. Bring your dog to the mountains. Stay a week, a month, or 2. So long Manhattan, ski Bromley and Stratton. Zoom with a view. And come to Vermont for the winter and make this yours. Our 30-acre estate awaits you in the great outdoors. Your kids will always remember this winter wonderland. Feel happy and free as you snowboard and ski. Breathe the fresh air, there's snow everywhere. Hop on your skis and create memories at the Wilburton.